Okay, Zach, I got your email. I'm going to be creating this video, and I'm going to send it to you. Hopefully that'll help. I'll send that to you in the email that I'm making right now. I'm going to attach the walkthrough worksheet that IT made that walks you through how to set up your Adobe account. So I'll attach that to the email. And the email that you should use to sign into your Adobe account should be this right here. Zachariah Maratita at students.msun.edu. I hope I said your name right. I think I did. But and then I sent a link to how to sign into your student email here. If you've never signed into your student email, I know that you're using your Brightspace email, but you also have another email that Northern gave you when you became a student that you'll need to sign into to get that Adobe software downloaded. So this is what I sent you in the email. This is the document that IT made. You would go to creativecloud.adobe.com and use your school email, which is this right here, to sign in. So you would put the email address there. You'd probably have to make up your password. If prompted, select a company or school account right here, and then that's when you'd enter that password. If it's your first time signing in with this email address, Adobe will send a password reset link to your MSU Northern email. So that's why you need to get into that MSU Northern email. Once you set your password, you will be able to sign in. Visit creativecloud.adobe.com and use your email to sign in again once you've reset your password. And then you would click on apps up here, right here, to view all the apps. So the only ones that you're going to need are Illustrator and Animate, because you'll need Animate for Electronic Design 1. That assignment through Animate was due actually today. So you're doing well in Electronic Design 1, so I'm not too worried about it, but that does take roughly an hour-ish to complete, so definitely think about getting that done soon too. But since your Illustration 2 grade is a little bit lower, I would try and get caught up with that first. So download those two apps, Illustrator and Adobe Animate, and then you should be set. If you're having trouble signing into your student email, remember to go to this link here, and it'll show you, I think you would just click here, and then your username password would be your net. I think you just sign in using your NetID. I think you can also go here, but just read through this, these instructions, and you should be able to get into your student email. And if you can do that, then you should be able to get the Adobe software for free. Okay, well, hopefully this is helpful.